आज आपण डेव्हलपमेंट ऑफ मेल गॅमेटोफाइट हा मुद्दा पाहणार आहोत. सुरुवातीला फर्स्ट वी हॅव टू सी व्हॉट इज मीन बाय द गॅमेटोफाइट. The process which involve or which contain the gametes, then it is called as a gametophyte. The process which contain gamete is called as a gametophyte, and it is a divided that is the gametophyte having a two types, that is a male gamete and female gamete. These are the two types. Therefore, gametophyte means the contents of the gametes. These are the two types, that is the male gamete and female gamete. First of all, see in the male gametophyte, that is the parent cells. It is called as the pollen grain. This is a parent cell. Pollen grain. And this pollen grain in formation of anther. We know that the anther structure, this is the anther, and the pollen sacs, that is the anther having the 4 pollen sac and formation of the pollen grain. This layer is called as a exine. The inner layer called as a intine. Then nucleus is present in that, therefore it is a nucleus. Then cytoplasm, and this is called as a germ pore. This is a germ pore. Mitotically, these pollen grains are divided. That is the mitotic division is in the pollen grain, and these pollen grains are divided into two cells. This large one is called as vegetative cell, and small one is called as generative cell. Also, the second stage will be formed, and this generative cells is suspended in the cytoplasm of vegetative cell. That is the formation of this type of structure. This is the vegetative cell, and this is the generative cell. Then second stage will be start. That is the formation of pollen tube. Second stage, that is the formation of pollen tube, and this pollen tube is formed by the intine, only intine part of the pollen, that is this. At the point of the germ pore, it extended towards downward, and the formation of pollen tube. This is the vegetative cell, and second is the generative cell. pressure create on that portion, and these vegetative cells or enzymes can push to downward, then formation of the pollen tube, and these vegetative cells is come in the pollen tube. Therefore, the first, that is, this is called as a tube nuclei. Tube nuclei. These vegetative cells is pushed toward the pollen tube and it is called as a tube nuclei, and then generative cell. The cytoplasms are present in that portion. Then mitotically, second division of the mitotic process, this generative cells is also divided and form two gametes. That is it is divided and formation of gamete, and it is also called as a male gamete, and this is a tube nuclei. Therefore, the formation of pollen grain to pollen tube and male gamete, it is called as the male gametophyte.